Oh yeah. Last but not least, the juice. Juice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hella cute. Anyway, got these Icon neon gloves just because, you know, neon icon. Rip. And then on top of that, they're supposed to be summer gloves, but they have some padding. So pretty excited for that. They also go same brand as my helmet. This is a Icon Airform? Icon Airform something. And then on top of that, we got this sick ass insulated / padded flannel from Street and Steel. These guys, I think they're based out of Richmond, California. So that's why I went with them, East Bay local, you know. Had to represent. Throw that on there. And then I got these TCX boots. So something to ride with, you know. Yeah, all this for the e-bike just because you gonna bust some ass. Earrings and all this hair. We are good. Poop, didn't die. Wow. I'll show you some bike privilege here, folks. Little bike privilege. So we're in Eco. I am pedaling. Officers, the fastest this will go. We will pull up through here. Cool. Okay. 2020 ONYX. Oh, I don't know what else it'd be called. RCR. Boom. ONYX RCR. If you're anything like me, the first time you heard about an ONYX was when your homie brought it to you in the street. I have a friend who worked as a technician on these, so he built these. And this was, I think this one's on a prototype frame. And it has all the goodies from the version 1.5 or version 2. Oh shit. But it has the frame from version 1, if that makes sense. There's some eclectic things about this particular model. This is the frame. It's a bit of like a blood red situation going on. Gave me some extra parts, but for now I got this extra wood panel on top. This is cool. This is where the battery hides. Cool things about this bike: it's got 70 miles of range if you keep it in eco. Top speed is 20 miles per hour. Then it has a normal mode, which is supposed to have 40 miles of range on flat ground, and then sport is supposed to have 20. Riding this to work for the past week, not bad. Only fell once. I think I saved 80 miles so far off my commute. So I'm thoroughly impressed by this thing. These pedals are more so for show. They do pedal, they can crank. As you can see, this one, we'll show you the other side instead. These aren't necessarily stock. These pedal arms are a bit different. I don't know if these are different. These are just steel pedals. But the beauty of this thing is that battery hides in here. Oh my God, did I just scratch it that much? Jesus. And then all the internals hide in here from this aluminum panel. But for the most part, it just looks like an old cafe racer style, you know, kind of like a moped. Those old school bikes, I don't know. The gear, I don't know. Some people may seem that it's overkill. I got these fucking boots that look like Vans, but they're sick. And I got these knee pads from Harbor Freight because those are just, I feel like those are a necessity. When I fell, I didn't hit my knee, but my knees didn't hurt. So obviously the knee pads are working. And I ended up getting motorcycle gloves, and a full face helmet just because if you go down, you just want to protect yourself. Like, it's cute. It's still a bicycle by all means, but it just goes pretty quickly at the same time. I don't really want to say what the top speed is, but it rhymes with comes with an alarm system. Lovely key fob. Main things you want to pay attention to, you got the mode that you're in, eco. I'm in eco, I'm just chilling. Your voltage, top voltage is 84.4, and then I think it goes all the way down to like 55, but you're in trouble if you're anywhere near that. Other than that, nothing else really matters. This is like 3 miles per hour faster on this one. I have to tune some things. These are how you select the different speeds, or excuse me, the different modes, eco, normal, and sport. I'd really keep it in eco and normal for my day-to-day, unless I'm doing something cool, I'll put it in sport, but don't really need to be going that fast at any point. One mirror, I need to upgrade this. This is helpful, but my homies were clowning on me just because they were noticing how far away I have to look in order to actually look at this. I have to be like crouched down looking left. That's fine. You got headlights over here, you got the blinkers that do work, and you have a horn. It's very loud. The rear brake, this is also your regen. I guess that's important to pay attention to as well. And then your front brake, this is where mine's a little wiggly because I went down. It's also where it's a little wiggly. And then this is a bit wiggly too because, you know, your boy went down. But it's fine, it's fine. It's not how you fall, it's how you get back up. Remember that. So I'm gonna go cruise the hills and see if there's something else cool I can find, take some photos. All right. I'm here for that. Eco mode activate. Okay, folks. Ooh, doesn't look scary. This is the worst basketball court. This is interesting. It's like a fountain or some shit. If any of that showed up or if any of that came through, that should have been cute, but prime example of bike privilege with the ONYX, able to be going speed that some mopeds are able to go on a road for cars, and then you pedal your ass in eco mode onto the trail so you can explore things like this. This is really cute. It's interesting because like you see that pool, I don't know if this is supposed to be a pool as well. Like I don't see no lifeguards. This like I don't need, oh, you can skate that though, bro. You trying to skate, bro? Sick as fuck. Wow. So absolutely beautiful on a Sunday evening. Beautiful families, everyone enjoying the times of their lives. Wonderful. Anywho, thank you for watching. I'm going to have a better setup soon. I just wanted to get something to show this because it's just cool. Fun to look at, little test, little ONYX test, you know the vibes. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one. These people are looking at me down there.